Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. I'm Karen Madden. 6 overseas players have been named in the Reggae Girls under 20-member team for the preliminary round of the CONCACAF Women's Under-20 Championships in Nicaragua from April 15 to 23. The team, to be coached by Hugh Bradford, has Leah Brooks, Katie Oakley, Avery Johnson, Mia Mitchell, and Maya Ragahanada from the United States. The UK's Sunday Amele is the other overseas player. The rest of the squad has Joanna Taw, Shaniel Buckley, Lillian Clark, Tina Seaton, Kiba Cowan, Leah Williams, Natoya Atkinson, Danique Wilson, Destiny Powell, Akelia Johnson, Taisha Nelson, Janelle Mignot, and Davia Richards. The Jamaicans are drawn in Group E against Honduras, Bermuda, Anguilla, and French Guiana. They must top the group to advance to the final round as one of 6 teams to join Mexico and the United States. And Jamaica's Reggae boys moved up a place in the latest FIFA rankings released by the world governing body on Thursday. The Jamaicans jumped from 64 to 63 following their 2-all draw with Mexico in their final CONCACAF Nations League match at the Azteca Stadium on May 26. The Reggae boys are the top-ranked Caribbean team but are 6th in CONCACAF behind the United States, who are 13th in the world. Meanwhile, world champions Argentina are at the top of the perch following their friendly wins over Panama and Curacao in the March window. They have replaced South American neighbors Brazil, who were beaten by Morocco in the March window. The Brazilians have slipped to 3rd with France 2nd. The rest of the top 5 are Belgium, England, Netherlands, Croatia, Italy, Portugal, and Spain. In form, Portmore United, with 4 wins in their last 5 matches, welcome Mount Pleasant Football Club in a rescheduled Jamaica Premier League match at the further Nita Park this afternoon at 4 o'clock. Portmore are 7th in the standings with 31 points and can join 6th place Waterhouse on points with victory this afternoon. The Philip Williams coached team clipped defending champions Harbourview 1-0 on Sunday. Meanwhile, Mount Pleasant are enduring a dip in form with 1 win in 7 matches and escaped with a point against Montego Bay United on Monday after coming from behind twice for a 2-all draw. Mount Pleasant are 3rd on 37 points, and a win puts them 2nd on 40 points, along with Cavalier, 2 behind the leaders Arnett Gardens. When both teams met early this season, it ended in a 2-all draw. Further afield, Frank Lampard has been appointed Chelsea manager until the end of the season, just over 2 years after he was sacked by the club. The 44-year-old, the club's record goal scorer, takes over following Graham Potter's dismissal on Sunday. Lampard, who has been out of a job since he was dismissed by Everton in January, previously managed the Blues from July 2019 until January 2021. Chelsea are 11th in the Premier League table and are away to Wolves on Saturday. They have just 14 points from 4th place Manchester United, but are through to the Champions League quarterfinals and face Real Madrid in the first leg on Wednesday. Finally, Knox College won their first ever ISA National Volleyball title following a 3-0 win over Maldon in the girls' final at the Carl Henderson Auditorium at Jamaica College on Wednesday. In the boys' final, Wolmer's beat JC by 3-1. St. Jago took 3rd place after a 2-0 win over Manning's School, while Wolmer's girls won 2-0 over Hillel Academy to take 3rd place in the girls' section. And that's it for your midday sports report. It's back to you, Sandy.
Thanks, Karen. And that's the midday news package. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.